from, look at that beautiful turn.
What a turn there, and you don't blame him for shooting. Still full of confidence there.
Rather team and just a glance again. Oh, but Mason does not clear the lines. Could be problems here. And guess what? Polokwane City take the lead. It's Bonginkosi Dlamini making his first appearance of the season. Scores Polokwane City's first ever goal.
Flick on from the near post, and then lovely first touch to set himself up there, Dlamini, and thunderous shot there. Kept it hard and low, very difficult for the goalkeeper to deal with. Needed 2 touches, and what a thumper, and gives his side the lead.
Dlamini, who scored 3, and Mamelodi Sundowns. Now here they come, moving forward here now. The cut inside. Matthews takes his eye off the ball, but will keep it in.
Ayende ufezleke futhi ushaya ukuthi awadlula umuntu abali thuba eceleni kwebali Themba umtakaza umshishi yibo abakora ali thuba ishaya kona ngempela andiza nezinto kodwa wabheka lapha ngoke eshaya kude nokula uvele ngaphandle kade kungena uJohannes oshintshe ngempela Alibheka lapha khona futhi uMugwena ku-18 akhishwa wathi shayeka phansi labiyela futhi nali thuba awayikhipa uNozinti awaduma ihlombe kule ndawo eyikhipha uNozinti asibone futhi nginyalo nangoke futhi 18 lapha sihlaba ngekhanda Matthews bekade ibuyisile uVan Wyk lapha ngunyalo dabi nangoke eyibuyisa khona kick wayisuza empishane ke nje ehamba phansi ukhulu kusese ubuyela phana Ayende so lesikhala lapha nandoke ithuba ke yini nalithuba ayizindaba umkwena wathi alelihle ngohloko bejabula mnandi ke Ayende ngunyalo noma igoba nje lapha iqale la ingozi aseyivala phakathi ke manje uMugwena ngiyake sibona lapha la ngena lamuhla ekade eqeda ukudlala kahle kakhulu uMathebula kodwa kuloko bathi ke konke lokho siyacima nakuvamile la kulabadlali amaqembu amabili kuvamise ukube elodwa nje ngapha emhlabeni Vedi Mathebula ungena lodwa ngapha nelodwa ngale ukore kahle kakhulu lapha uthebeko umntaka Mugwena angiyasetheleke kabuhlungu lapha defang ngunyalo Ikram shafut lapha uMugwena bamaka kabuhlungu sibona ukuthi ubani lo udlale kabi ngempela engena ngomkhono nesiphanga lapha ungena kumathonto kumona ukuthi ngempela abefeza futhi antoke ithula lapha san khuza Mdungwa uMaphangule uye lesekeke umuntu bekade kungena uMathonze wamthela phansi ukhanda igoli ke uVan Wyk nje ubone bemthela phansi lapha yena Ayende nangaphosisi namaya qhubela nobasa den Alvimba waqanga hayi angizukujomba Ikram Reynolds naloke thuba Mahlayene nangoke lo phakathi sikhuluma ngayo uVan Wyk uyingozi ongakaze uyibone futhi linengo lapha engathi ngunyalo nangoke ezanabo futhi lapha elivala lapha ngathi yena uVan Wyk ethi azama umgwe wasala enkemile ngunyalo lwabe nangoke uVan Wyk uqamile ngempela nangoke simone Philander amakada awu wehluleka ukuthi alisenge impela wageja ngekhanda kodwa-ke nokho laphuma-ke igcine mbizango Philander futhi eshimlika bhu phansi ijubane-ke ngakaze uliboneke la ingathi ukhona umkwena amasibona futhi umkwena lo uthiwa nguBennett akhishwa emuva bayibeka kukhona ngokukhamba nanto-ke ithuba futhi Philander lamanje uPhilander akunamuntu vele kwaqimana futhi come on to Matthews Bassadin Angio Bassadin amakhanda eceleni kwepali beflux ubona-ke laphana ngaphandle labona uBassadin eyigobe kahle kakhulu inqofa udla phansi-ke ngejubane ukhona ngaleyo usephambili lapha khoba aphezulu phela ngaphandle phela kuyalo kwabi labona laphana ngempela eyigobe laphana phela ngaphandle belingamudla uWilliams kuba kangena ngaphandle kuvele walehla ngaphezulu Ikram Reynolds alithuka ke alifika kalula uNozinti uMathebula belingagcwele lo bhola khona Kampala futhi amakhanda ayikhona lakhishwa ikhona kick futhi khona kick nawubhekile nje ezosha
Caution here, and it's Manuel Kambala. His cards after was very lenient with many challenges. Oof, that would have hurt. Steps on his toes there. Don't think there was any malice intended. Could be something on here. Flashes across of interesting places. Look at this now, playing the 1-2, and just didn't get enough burned on that one.
Yeah, with the right foot there.
Back even further, like the likes of Mbazol.
Yeah.
Mokoena, 100 caps for his country. And
approach with caution.
Come on, Marcelo, that man has a family.
ngaphezulu kwamapali abafana lakhona basivalela debo konke ngapha nekule futhi khona umkwe ayikhona no kamke ngamuntu lapha bengenamuntu umkwe ngathi elizamela ulifaka lapha ayibajike futhi uFaveke afimba biyela ngokhulukushesa maphangule ngaphezulu Feda ayende nalokithu ayikhona izovinto nje ngalula uNozinti Feza nangu fan ubula phela makhanda phela nokuba ingobuza nalithuba kangeni suke nje emveni kwesebeke mama isikhathi eside ngumulukwane